Best AI communities. Why is it important to be joining the top rated artificial intelligence groups and communities? Today I'm joined with Julian Goldie. Julian, obviously it's a pleasure to have you on, who you are the founder of AI Profit Boardroom. So first question to you before I get into the list of the best AI communities from what our team have done is, why do you think it's important to be a member of the best AI community?
Well, you want to be in the best AI community, because if you're not, you're wasting your time. If you look at the way AI is going, it's moving so quickly that you can very quickly fall behind, and we've seen that with whole different jobs being wiped out. And so, if you waste your time in the wrong AI community, then it's a huge opportunity cost in terms of your progress, in terms of your improvement, in terms of like the opportunities that you miss out on, right? And every day that you're not in the right AI community, well, you're falling behind to people who are building amazing systems and growing further ahead. And sometimes that's your competitors as well.
Yeah, for sure. So anyone who's watching this, my team went out and researched 27 different AI communities. There's a lot of them out there. And there's a lot, to be honest with you, I think there was 71 or 72 that we found. And we tested what we believe are the best 27 AI communities in total. And there's new ones coming out all the time, consistently. Obviously, today I've got Julian Goldie on, and he's very proud to be on there because he knows that on the list, when I sent it him through, he was number one with the AI Profit Boardroom. In position number 2 was Authority Hackers AI Accelerator. Gail Britton and Mark are both great SEOs. They moved away from affiliate marketing because Google seemed to hit affiliate marketing quite hard, and they've got a good AI group over there. And then the other one on the list was Julian McCoy's First Movers. Now, Julian McCoy, I think, has got an amazing AI avatar. The group wasn't as active as what I thought it might have been with other members that are in there. But Julian, obviously, within the Fat Rank team, I had no say of what they was doing with the scoring mechanisms. And it ended up being the AI Profit Boardroom was the best AI community out of all the list of what kind of came through. Can you expand upon that, about why you genuinely believe? I know you're the founder of it, so it's kind of you saying why you think you are the best, but explain to some of the people not only why it's important to be a member and subscribe to the best AI community, but also some of the things of what's been going on. So like the awards, the amount of case studies of people that's in there, like it's such an active group and community there. It's incredible. But can you expand on it a little bit more?
Yeah, so I mean, number one, we've won multiple awards recently for the best AI community. So we've been voted by yourselves as the best AI community and other awards too. Also, we've got over 181 pages of testimonials and reviews from people winning and learning and growing inside the community. And there's people building all sorts of amazing different AI systems, which is one of the most exciting things about this. And then also recently, we just launched an agent operating system inside the AI Profit Boardroom community. And so like loads of people have been setting that up, sharing what they're building, showing screenshots and testimonials of what they've created. We're just going from strength to strength, really.
Yeah.
Even sorry, like I was just going to say one other thing. We actually recently got featured by Alex Hormozy as well on his new community, so that was pretty awesome.
I bet that was a good moment for you, because Alex Hormozy is a legend as well, isn't he?
Yeah, he's a beast. He's a beast.
Yeah, definitely. I love watching his videos and stuff like that. So that's amazing. But with regards to what was interesting from our end, Julie, I've not been through this with you, but what they loved about the group. Now, I thought when AI Profit Boardroom came out as being the number one best AI community out there, I thought it was going to be because of Julian Goldie, because you are Mr. Omnipresent. You are everywhere. You are on the channel, omnipresent, Mr. Everywhere. Like the minute a new AI model comes out, I know on your YouTube channel and in that group, you're going to be talking about exactly why it's good and exactly why it's not good. And I'm like, for me, you're the first person I go to when Fable just comes out, or is Hermes better than OpenClaw, Or should I be using ChatGPT image generator or Nano Banana? Should I be using Claude Code for building the websites? Like, you're the first person I go to. So I was thinking it has to be because of Julian Goldie, the founder of AI Profit Boardroom. However, what I found interesting was when the team was doing the research, they loved all the SOPs that was in there that you gave as well. So literally step by step, this is how you set things up. They loved all the videos that was in there, but they actually loved the community. And they was really surprised by how active other people that are not paid that's in that group saying, oh my God, have you tested this? I've just done this, this and this. Look at this case study. And they're not willing to share it publicly on Facebook or on LinkedIn. But in these paid social groups, like the school group that you have with AI Profit Boardroom, they're willing to share because they know that others are sharing the case studies of what's working, and everyone's elevating each other. So is there anything you've done with that, with the community? Like, is there an award system, or like why is it you feel that the community are willing to share so many amazing case studies and their SOPs from what they've been doing? Because that was one of the key takeaways from the team that was doing the scoring mechanisms of who came out in the best AI communities. The AI Profit Boardroom came out number one. Obviously you scored high yourself, you was doing the videos and stuff like that, but I was surprised that so many of the team came back with how active the community was and how much value they was bringing as well.
Yeah, it's unbelievable. There's so many people posting. So there's a few systems that we have. Number one is the more active you are in the community and the longer you stay in the group, the more things you unlock. So for example, like someone who gets to level 5 because of their activity, the number of posts they're creating, the comments, etc., the more value you bring, the more things you unlock. So at level 5, you unlock an AI SEO audit, for example. Level 8, you actually unlock free lifetime access. So there's like all these incentives to make sure that people are active. And then I think number 2 is it's a culture of the group. And you know this from growing your own company. It's like if you have a great culture where everyone's raising each other up, everyone's positive with each other, then we're all going to chip in and help each other along the journey. And then I think as well, there's just something about, I mean, like, for example, 2 of my groups on school, including the AI Profit Boardroom, like the highest on discovery scores on school, which means like they rank all the communities and they see which ones are the most active and then they rank us top. So that helps as well. It's positive feedback.
As a school group, it's crazy. We always kept seeing it number 1 here, number 1 there. And you're like, the amount of school groups there is out there, and yet AI Profit Boardroom ranks in position number 1 for activity and stuff, it blows my mind. And I think it does. I think things flow downstream from the founder because, like I said, you are Mr. Omnichannel, Mr. Omnipresent, you are everywhere. So it's a credit to yourself of what you've built. But for anyone watching this, what I would say is, the team are still continuously testing what the best AI communities are. There might be new ones that pop up. Head on over to FatRank, and in real time, we're going to be updating the best AI communities. If there's any new ones that come and get into the top 5 or in the top 10 list, you'll see them in there. You'll see the pricing alongside it. So check out the link in the description, and we hope you like this episode on which are the best AI communities to learn, to level up, to increase that knowledge. You can also find new business partners in there that you might want to work with, new employees. There's so much opportunity in these paid groups that I strongly recommend going over to AI Profit Boardroom, which ranks number 1 at present in the best list of AI communities. Julian, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thanks for having you.
Thank you, sir.